Looking at our procedures and calibrations. So in our toolbox menu or tiles menu, on the right side, we have procedures and calibrations. So under our calibrations, we have several calibrations, just like we did on our old combines. There'd be a few different ones on the AF combines, but these should all be done on a factory PDI and shouldn't have to be redone unless you're having issues with something. Header height control may need to be done when you get it home, because we may or may not have your particular header hooked up to your combine. Last year, it liked the calibration every time we rehooked to the header, because it wouldn't always go back to our same header. It would create a new header type, so we would need to redo that. But all these cals are in here. If you have questions on doing them, give one of us at Young's Equipment a call and we can walk you through that. Most of them have pretty good instructions on them. Procedures, there's some interesting things in procedures on the AF combines. So starting on the top left, automatic deslug feeder. So it used to be we'd put the combine in feeder deslug mode, which is the same as it is now. And then we would hit the plus minus button to forward or reverse the feeder house. If we do the auto deslug feeder mode, it does the forward back by itself. You just sit there and watch it. Automatic deslug feeder and rotor, same idea. You start the mode and it will back up the feeder house. It will rock the rotors back and forth until it feels it's clear. Then it'll run the rotors. Then it'll re-engage the feeder, clean the whole combine out. When it's done, it tells you shut your switches off and you restart again. Worked very well last year a few times in heavy plugs. I'd have to do it a couple times to get it to do that. Clean out basically opens all your sieves and gives it lots of fan. That can be used in between crop types to try and get all the material out. Concave reset. On the twin rotor machines, there's an option for a kick out or release of the concave. So if you slug it really hard, the concaves will pop out and will drop right to the bottom to prevent it from slugging or plugging. When that happens, you get a bunch of beeps and alarms in the cab telling you that the concaves have disengaged and we need to do a reset. So you would come into procedures, hit concave reset. It basically drops the system all the way down to re-grab the concave cage and then lifts it back up to where you were. So again, the procedure just does that automatically for you. Automatic kill stall is in here. Rock trap emptying procedure is in here. So clicking on this button, and then we can see underneath the combine that it will open the door, shows the material coming out. Sieve loss, rotor loss sensor test, sieve pressure sensor test. So just some procedures for checking things as to what's going on in there.